This is oil.
Oil.
It's olive oil.
This is olive oil. We put some in. Okay. Guys, we have to put the garlic in there. Dude, let's make it medium high. It's already medium. Put it in. That's a lot. This up the way. Mix it up. But this is my mom's Filipino chicken adobo. And this is my mom's non-sugar version. So what is delicious in Tagalog? What?
It's masarap.
It's masarap.
Masarap.
It's masarap. Mommy told me. Long time ago.
We want all the fats and the liquid of the chicken to be
I
out.
love fats.
Go, Mom.
Not yet. Hey, oh my gosh, look at that. Good. Smells so good. That's good. So it smells so good. Oh, that looks good. So we still have to get all the fats away. Guys, we're also gonna put some potatoes because my dad loves potatoes because you know so I do and Brianna does. Guys, we're putting on the soy sauce.
I see
Oh
oil.
wow! You know, let's put another one.
That's the vinegar.
You know, put the vinegar. That's done. We'll mix it up. Mix.
And let it simmer.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, we're gonna put
Simmer.
the lid.
Let's go play, Nathan.
Okay, my sister's gonna try catching. Take your hand. Will never catch me. She's so fast. Never catch you. Never catch you. Oh, how can we catch you now?
Help you.
Mama, help me. Okay. All around, all around. Cool. And see, you can see we didn't peel them. Look, wait, let me flip this one over. See that? Because there's more nutrients and taste. Okay? And this is gonna be masarap. Yummy. That means yummy. Masarap. Okay. Now we have to mix.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna put some bay leaf. Some people don't like bay leaf. But we're gonna try with bay leaf. It depends on your mood. Okay, let's try. Junked it in. Okay, now we have to put the. Guys, look at that.
How's the smell?
Oh, masarap.
It's done.
Taste this time. It's because it has yummy masarap.
All good.